Hey girl. So it's Thanksgiving. Let's get ready. Now I'm oily skin and I already did my skincare and everything like that. So what we're gonna do is start off. I just got these. I'm trying a couple of new products today. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I am. Okay, so I'm gonna try this new Milani because I use a couple of primers because well, I have pores, I'm oily skin, and I just like to be matte and blurred. So I'm definitely gonna put where I have some texture and my pores are a little bit more prominent on. Now today I'm trying to figure out the look I want to go with because I don't know if I want to do a nude lip because I'm going, you know, I'm just going natural, but what we're gonna do with the lip, I don't want to talk y'all guys heads off a lot, so basically this is gonna be a voiceover. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoy. This is the look, guys. I got this set from TikTok shop. I don't know if I'm gonna leave my hair down or not. I end up changing the lip. I just put on the Jeff liner by Mario and the pink velvet by Juvia's Place. I think that's cool for today. And the fragrance of the day is Flower Bomb. Okay, it smells good. I get compliments on it all the time. Okay, give me the big bottle because I go through this. Okay, So this is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It's something simple. It's not doing too much, but you still look cute. And that's the point. Because we both know we just in the house, but we still gotta look cute. Okay? So I hope you guys have a great day and a happy Thanksgiving, and thank you for watching.